Hey everyone, for a few quiet moments, just watch. Watch the endless white, the frozen land stretching beyond the horizon, the cold wind moving across the ice. There is no jungle here, no trees, no shelter, no warmth, only silence, only ice, only survival. And somewhere in this frozen world moves a creature built to endure it all. This is the story of the polar bear, the king of the Arctic, high above the northern parts of the world. In the Arctic Circle, where temperatures drop far below freezing, where the ocean turns into ice, lives one of the most powerful predators on Earth, the polar bear. This is not a place for the weak. The Arctic is harsh, unforgiving, and constantly changing. But the polar bear is perfectly adapted to survive here. At first glance, it looks massive, strong, unstoppable. An adult male can weigh over 600 kilograms, standing tall, with muscles built for power. But its true strength is hidden beneath its fur, a thick layer of fat, sometimes over 10 centimeters deep, protects it from the freezing cold. Its fur, which looks white, is actually transparent, reflecting light, helping it blend into the snowy environment. Even its skin is black, absorbing heat from the sun. Everything about the polar bear is designed for survival. Its paws are wide and powerful, helping it walk on ice and swim through freezing water. Because the polar bear is not just a land animal, it is also an excellent swimmer. It can travel long distances in the ocean, sometimes for hours, even days, in search of food. And food is the most important part of its life. Because in the Arctic, food is not easy to find. The polar bear is a carnivore, a hunter. Its main prey is the seal. Seals live beneath the ice, coming up only to breathe through small holes. And this is where the hunt begins. The polar bear waits. It finds a breathing hole and stays completely still. Minutes pass, sometimes hours. The wind blows, the ice shifts, but the bear does not move, because it knows at some point the seal will come up for air, and in that exact moment, the bear strikes, a powerful swipe of its paw, fast, precise, pulling the seal out of the water. It happens in seconds. This is patience. This is timing. This is survival. But not every hunt is successful. And when a hunt fails, the polar bear must keep moving, searching, walking across ice, swimming through freezing water, burning energy with every step. Because without food, it cannot survive. A polar bear depends heavily on fat, especially from seals, to maintain its energy. Without enough food, its strength begins to fade. And in the Arctic, weakness can mean death. But despite this harsh life, the polar bear is calm. It does not rush. It does not waste energy. It moves slowly, carefully, choosing each action wisely. Most of its life is spent alone, Unlike many animals, polar bears are solitary. They walk alone, hunt alone, survive alone. The only time they come together is during mating season, or when a mother is raising her cubs. A female polar bear's journey is one of the most powerful stories in nature. When winter approaches, she searches for a place to dig a den. Deep in the snow, she creates a shelter, and there she gives birth, usually to one or two cubs. They are tiny, blind, and completely helpless, weighing less than 1 kilogram. Inside the den, the mother stays with them, keeping them warm, feeding them, protecting them. Outside, the Arctic storms continue, but inside, there is life. For months, she does not hunt. She survives on stored fat, losing weight, growing weaker, but never leaving her cubs. This is sacrifice. When spring arrives, the cubs are stronger. They step outside, into the frozen world. For the first time, everything is new. Everything is dangerous. The mother guides them. She teaches them how to walk on ice, how to swim, how to stay close. She protects them from threats, from male bears, from the harsh environment. The cubs follow her everywhere, learning, watching, growing. But survival is not easy. Many cubs do not survive their first year. The cold, the hunger, the dangers are constant. But those who survive become stronger. They learn to hunt. They learn to endure. And one day, they leave their mother to live on their own. A polar bear's life can last around 20 to 25 years in the wild. In that time, it becomes a master of the Arctic. Strong, patient, resilient. But today, this frozen world is changing. The ice is melting faster than before. The Arctic is warming, and the sea ice, which polar bears depend on, is disappearing. Without ice, they cannot hunt seals effectively. They are forced to travel farther, swim longer, search harder for food, and many do not find enough. This is not just a challenge. It is a threat to their survival. As the ice melts, their world shrinks, and the king of the Arctic faces an uncertain future. But even in these conditions, the polar bear continues, walking across thinning ice, swimming through cold waters, searching, surviving, enduring, because that is what it has always done. Survive against all odds. So the next time you think of strength, don't just think of power. Think of endurance. Think of patience. Think of a creature that lives where almost nothing else can. A true symbol of resilience. The king of the Arctic. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories. And tell me, which animal should we explore next? I'll see you in the next story